Yeah, man, riches.
Riches!
That's rich.
Riches!
That's rich.
That's rich.
Yeah, man.
Why? Yes! It's cooking with bling, with no vision and cook and vibe. You know what I'm saying?
It's true.
It's
true.
Yeah, man.
Bro, bring it down, though, family. The one that we there, man.
Yeah, man.
Silly. The one that we there, I'm true.
Yo, people don't think a joke. It's not a joke, people. See it here?
Look on that, look at that. Big up Michael's in Brixton, you know. They gave me this for free. You get me, so big them up. They don't even know that I was going to put it in an episode, so big them up. Thank you very much for the meat. You know what I'm saying? So yes, today, people, you don't know, say, cook and vibes, it's Christmas time. Yes, it's Christmas time. So I thought we were going to do something different. So you don't know, say, Jamaican tradition at Christmas time. Let me just put my phone on silent there, people. Sorry about that. I'm not filming today. We've got Ben. Big up yourself, Ben. Yeah, on the camera, you get me. I'm gonna put all his stuff in the description below. So make sure you go follow him. His Instagram's right there and his YouTube's right there. Okay. So, like I was saying, traditionally in Jamaica, you're gonna make sorrel at Christmas time. Yeah, the flour that you see, the red flour, hibiscus flour, true. You know what I'm saying, and then boil it and you make the drink out of it. True, bling. True. So yeah, sorrel but I thought,
just like what I'm saying, people.
it's just boring. You know what I'm saying? Just doing sorrel's just too like boring. For cook and vibe, cooking with bling, and that's too boring. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna make sorrel braised lamb.
Wow. You hear that one?
Yeah, let me say it again. Sorrel braised lamb, nothing in normal. And we're just gonna do some nice sweet potato mash, and we're gonna do some nice little broccoli and some little corn. It's like a fine dining type of thing we're gonna deal with today. Because I thought, you know, the sorrel, what can that work with? What can we cook that with? And I thought lamb. So you don't know Ringo Vision I deal with anything. So I'm gonna pass it over to Ringo Vision TV right now.
Yeah, yes, people don't think a joke. So right now, me just prepare the lamb, cut off the fat off of the lamb. As you can see right now, we just strip off the fat off of the lamb just like that. So quick, so fast.
See.
People, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bling, then not true.
True. Merry Christmas to everybody.
Tell them where you're forward from, Bling.
We are Birmingham, I come from. You see me I say, yeah man, it's a long journey. But you don't know, we boss them so come over, family thing, Christmas I come, I want the people them see what's popping. So you don't know, come back over here so I make the boss show him clean up him thing, you see?
And that's the thing, you know, people, yeah man, a vibe, because you know, say at Christmas time, and you know, what heap energy is put in the man, them far Ringo forward from Croydon, you know, say Bling forward from Birmingham. So what heap energy, you see that energy right now to go over to the channel and press subscribe. Why it's Christmas, man. Do me a favor and just subscribe, please, and just that's your Christmas present to me. Thank you very much. And a lot of energy, you know it's Christmas and it's a season of goodwill. So you can give us a present. You can give me a present on Cook and Vibe. I don't know you're subscribed already if you're watching it. You have to be subscribed. Sure. So more you just go over to Ringo Vision TV. More you run up the watch hours and that, because he's ready for monetization. But we need the watch hours, people. We need the watch hours, and cooking with Bling, you done say up and running. Just go check out the things. You get me? So yeah man, we're there man, clean off the meat. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And then we're gonna chop up like, I don't know really how, I don't really know lamb like that, but what we're gonna do is we're just gonna slice the lamb, you know what I'm saying, and then sear it, and then you're gonna see what we're gonna do with it. But it's a mad thing today, man. Sorrel braised lamb, we're cooking with Bling, Ringo Vision TV, Hawaii.
Then Emda, it's been a good year still, you know.
Yeah.
Nah, tell no lie. I like Bling.
It's a
good year, man.
It's a very good year.
You know, see how we are close up the year, man. A proper link.
But that's what I thought, you know, people. I thought, you know what, man, I thought, you know what, it's Christmas, man. Like, we have to hold the vibes.
Definitely.
Like, the tree, we have to hold the vibes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to hold the vibes.
Yeah, that's straight.
It makes sense.
Yeah, man, and Christmas is like, you know, it's a very nice spirit. You know what I say?
Yeah.
Everybody happy.
Yeah.
Everybody get together. You see it? Right now, we're having a get together right now.
And I share the love and the joy.
It's a happy times. You know what I say? Yeah, man, it's a good feeling. So, Merry Christmas to everybody out there. You know what I say?
Yeah.
And a Happy New Year when it comes to you. See it? Yeah, man, big up to everybody. Ringo Vision.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you clean up the meat eat and make the people them so go on. You see me I say? I see them fat they know people.
You see there?
Yeah man, you're really nice.
I don't want that.
No, we don't need that.
Teamwork.
Alright, make the dream work.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good look.
Network, make the jet work.
Alright then.
Hey, you know what though? Big up Ross.
Yes.
Big up Ross!
Vibes, man. Come on, shout out everyone here, man.
Come on, bro.
Come on, bro. Shout out everyone. Jeez, come on.
You have to check out his music.
Yeah, man. Upcoming productions.
Because you know what? He's a fan of Cook and Vibe, so respect that first of all. He's a fan of Cook and Vibe. And one time, I must have brought him on my live. And I thought, nah, he's a fan, so I'm gonna bust him. The man dropped some lyrics in a bit out. I said, alright, alright.
Set the pace.
No problem, he set the pace.
Boy,
Now here.
Yeah, now here. So, you know the Waller with there, man. So it's a vibes. You know what I'm saying? Ringo Vision TV, Cooking with Bling. Ross is here.
Big ups.
Ben's on the camera.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
it's a good look.
Yeah, it's a good look,
It's a
man.
good look,
We
you
just
see?
sit there and go and do everything. So Bling, last night, people, right? You remember when I done the bag juice episode, and I done the rum punch on the beach. If you don't remember it, go check it out. But I never knew. So Bling done his version.
Straight.
You get me? So he done his version.
Yeah, man, I be a love man, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Man, cause I share the love, I will share the love to you, you see me I say? Yeah, man, Ring of Vision there, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, this man, the boss make a breakfast this morning, man, I lie to you people.
Yeah, we can give you one clippings right now of that. We'll make you see that right now.
Alright
See
then,
that?
so-
Look at that, people. Mad
Yo,
thing.
you see me I say? Ring of Vision? Yeah, man.
How would that be cooked the other day when we, the episode? You have to tell the people then the episode we said that. What were you cooked the other day?
Boy, yo, you know, how is one of them again?
Shark.
Shark, yeah, we do some roast shark. I don't know if I roast shark, you know, but my virgin say a shark, so I just run with it, because sawfish me go to the buy. But a
The man say
shark,
a shark, no watch your video, man.
so I just run with it. You see me I say, boy, yeah, roast shark, and roast yam, you see me I say, and roast salt mackerel. Go over there and check out that video, there, man. You see me I say, people, yeah.
Surgeon with that brother. You know what you're doing, fam. I just left him, people. I just left him because he knows what he's doing. He's my surgeon and that.
Oh, God, man.
Yeah.
Jamaican thing.
One thing with Ringo in both with it, people. Yeah, like I say, everybody have them like different like things. My thing is just the crazy ideas. You know, I make them crazy recipes. Where you think, how did you even think of that, bruv? Yeah, man, I might think that. You see Ringo's thing now, our preparation.
Yeah.
You see when he puts his thing out on the table and everything's set out, you feel saying you're in 5-star hotel and a chill Bling.
True.
Yeah, man.
And
You
I'm
know,
not
so
joking, man.
Bling had him thing the same way as like the Tory. I feel like your preparation is very good as well.
Yeah, man.
The way you set out your things very clean and my thing's a bit crazy. You know my thing.
That's why I always tell them, say, yo,
But Bling, your thing is clean.
it's straight.
It's clean and it's nice and professional and you know, say the two of them have them style it. You know, say see
So
nobody
three
cook
combined
shop.
together,
Yeah.
you know, a murder. You see? Yeah, man, just one tune in, man, and watch what I go on. You see?
But I tell you the truth, people. You see Ringo, you have to watch out for him because him take a one mission. You know what I depend.
Yo.
You know what I depend that mission there. You think it's alright until he gets on the train with a barbecue and starts lifting it up in front of people's faces.
That's what I'm talking.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. I wanted to get off the train quickly, bruv. Do you know how quickly I wanted to get off that tram, people? Yo, because people, I'm sitting on there, right? The man said, the man said, yo, no, go on. So I feel bossy at this point. I felt bossy, Bling.
Yeah, man,
At that
that's
point where we was going to put it on the train,
Yeah.
I said, right, yeah, but I'm glad the other side, yeah. But once we got on there and the doors closed,
Oh,
and it's like there's bare people on there, it's ram. And you hear them little noises, and I'm thinking, oh no. But then I thought, it's a level because he's got it covered up. Then he done the thing that I didn't want him to do. He lifted it up. He lifted it up, all the smoke went. I said, no, get me off this tram.
yo, Ring of Vision.
Yeah.
They're like crazy, brother.
I wonder what's a crazy one, man.
The man looks so normal when in date as well, like he's nothing about
That's
it.
cool, man. The boss say, man, put down I was part him say, man, put down the Queen place.
Buckingham, yo, watch out. We're gonna do a season. For true, we are gonna do one season.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Crazy.
cooking in the craziest places. Not cooking the craziest things in the craziest ways.
Yeah.
We're taking it up a level in season 6 on Cook and Vibe. Yeah, it's gonna be a set series, right? And me cooking with Bling Ringo, we're just gonna go to the places where you just shouldn't be cooking. Do you know what I'm saying? We're gonna cook there, and we don't care if we finish our food. We don't care. We are gonna try, and as long as we get one bite of food, it's done.
We take ourselves.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. We take ourselves.
Yeah, it might get a little bit sticky, but we're willing to take the risk
Yeah, man.
for you lot.
Yeah, man.
So make sure you subscribe.
So end up. So here we are gonna know. You're gonna slice it how you want it.
Right.
You see them fillets that you wanted?
Yeah.
You can get off of that joint there.
Okay.
You can get out of that.
Yeah.
The bone, man can cut this off and just have this little piece there on the bone, so you got a smaller piece.
Yeah.
Easier
Yeah.
to cook.
Quick
Yeah.
and fast.
Yeah.
But you know, sir, I feel like, you know what we should do is we should cut off this piece here and roast this piece.
Yeah.
And then we can, you know?
Boom, bam.
Yeah.
I mean, that's one good.
This piece here, we're gonna roast this piece here. You know what I'm saying? Because we can't make no chops or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? That me know.
There's a long piece of bone.
So that there we're gonna roast. We're gonna put a little sorrel flowers in there. We'll put a little piece of sorrel in the we're gonna put some tin foil, put a little piece of, you're gonna see what I want. Little rosemary as well. That's a different thing, but this is what we're focusing on. We're gonna try work something for people. We're gonna try between Cooking with Bling, Ringo Vision, and Cook and Vibe. We're gonna try and give you an episode every day this week, running up. I'm probably gonna drop one tomorrow, if not Tuesday. I'm definitely dropping this one Thursday. Ben's just confirmed it. People relying on Ben, yeah?
True.
No pressure. And then Christmas Day, you've got the episode. So Ringo has got episode. He's gonna drop one later on. We're gonna drop it today, innit?
Yeah.
We've gotta drop it.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
True.
today he's dropping a special thanks for the 1,000 subscribers. You get me? So yeah, man, just do the right thing.
do the
But
right thing.
what yoy? At Christmas time, the people, happy Christmas, man, and a merry happy Christmas, and a merry New Year.
Merry Christmas.
Have you
Happy
seen your
New
couple?
Year. You know what you got.
Yo, alright, so I told you it's simple today. Right, so it's sorrel braised lamb. Right, so I don't want to season this too much at all, really. So I look at all-purpose seasoning. I'm just gonna sprinkle that over there. You see the little sorrel leaves there, nice and fresh ones. Yes. So simple. Like I say, I don't even want to season them too much. If there's little parts that's got no seasoning, no problem, because I really just want to get that sorrel flavour in the lamb. And when you start adding different things, you're gonna start taking away flavour. You have to keep the presentation of people, because Ringo have to have presentations. I mean, I fix up that thing, don't worry about that. Yeah, simple little all-purpose seasoning, whatever one you like. You know what I'm saying? This one's a good one, this Easy Spice, because it has Wallipa flavour in our one seasoning.
Straight.
Proper Jamaican thing. You know what I'm saying? Easy Spice. So that is it for seasoning. That is all we're gonna do. And literally what we're gonna do is we're gonna sear it first. So warm up the pan, people. Straight in. Shoes, Leas. Tie them up.
Get Miguel's Jerkyard Marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why? Alright, why people? So we got the lamb here, yeah? So right now, everyone has start cook.
We'll see.
Why? Yeah, Christmas time, people. So like I said, we're just gonna sear it. for a couple minutes on each side. You know what I'm saying?
Two.
Nothing too long.
Bing bang.
You know what I mean? Oh, that's it. Teamwork we are dealing with. Right then, Ringo.
Yeah.
Get it there.
Two thin strips.
Ah,
The flavour already, no man.
Yeah. That's it. Even that over now.
Everything's a vibe to the end. No,
Yeah. We got bling and deal with some things, so yeah.
We have some vegetable over here, so you know what I'm saying? You know where to wash
yeah,
them.
but I go on, you
Well,
know.
wash them up and clean them up and you don't know, give it a look at one boil and some warm water. You see
So
me?
what vegetables there? So you know what
What do you call that one here?
Alright, asparagus.
Asparagus.
I thought it's a fine dining thing today, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So,
say, you want some baby corn.
yeah.
You see me, I say?
And purple broccoli.
See there's some purple broccoli as well. But clean them up too as well. You see me, I say?
So all I'm doing right now, Ben, yeah, I'm just splitting them in half, innit? So I just get like 2 halves. So I've got 8 slices here now, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn these into a
I'm
next,
feeling
into a
once
next
they're
half
all-
again.
That once they're all
So I'll get 16 slices
colour, I'm just
altogether.
gonna put them all in.
Okay.
Sweet potato fries,
Simmer down.
or how we deal with it. Depending how M dot want it still. So with the sweet potato here now, I just chop the sweet potatoes them now, and then I wash them and I put them in the pan. I'm gonna half boil them, and then the next stage is afterwards now. You get me?
So Ben, as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm just getting a little colour and a little seal with the seasonings onto the meat, and I'm just stacking them up, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep the wall of them in there with the sorrel. So like I say, I'm just giving them a little flavour. I've got one more piece there and a little piece there. So the last little piece we have to just sear off now, and then we're gonna add the sorrel. Do you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? I might add, what do you think pimento seed would work with?
Yeah man, pimento seed.
I think pimento seed,
I look at flavour.
I don't know if cloves.
You don't know, then look at you dropping out of flavour, you know. Towards it, you know. You
We're
see?
trying to think.
Yeah.
Alright people. Here I want Ringo, I don't want all that fat in there.
Yeah.
No, I don't want that in there. Heat up. Yeah, this one ready to go. What we're gonna do right now is we're just gonna let them get there back in and just drop them back in. Alright,
Yeah.
see it there? Why?
First time I see how I had a Ringo picture.
Yeah man.
Sorry.
So flour, I have to go back in there, Ringo.
Yes.
Isn't it? Alright, now here we go. Now this is sorrel. Now when you make sorrel, you put like sugar and other stuff to make it different and stuff like that. There's nothing in this. This is just the sorrel extract, just you know, from the
Pure.
yeah, pure.
Pure.
So we're going in with the sorrel right now, and we're just gonna. It's like we're dealing with this like wine. So you see that? Yeah, so alright, so here we have it. Now what we're gonna now what the main intention of everything is just cook it down.
Yeah, so we're just waiting for it to boil up and bubble
Yeah.
up. Yeah man.
When it boil up and bubble up?
Yeah man, of course man. I get the flat
Yeah.
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 Definitely.
Look at pimento people. Grinded pimento I'm just sprinkling on top.
Ah, nice. Nice, it makes sense.
So that's some rosemary I have to go in and soup, you know, because
Flavour.
rosemary can different. We need the flavour.
We need it.
Yeah.
Boy, people may never try I wanna before with sorrel, is it? And a lamb, is it? So I try. And if it work, is it? I'm gonna drop something too as well. Different from my lamb too, is it? I'm gonna drop some chicken, sorrel, guns through style, outside.
No rap with the thing, you know, no rap with Ringo, you know. So, hold on.
Yeah man.
If you clocked it, you clocked it.
Yeah.
If you didn't, you did it.
Yeah.
It's Christmas. Jamaican cigarettes are gone.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You know the thing, people, but shh, cause you know them laughing mess with us, you know. No, Ringo, so what we do to the lamb right now? Can you just give me a little style? So what we do right
Yeah
now?
man, cut it up fine man.
Cut it up fine?
Yeah.
Alright, so the Ringo, I say right now,
So a piece of garlic here to wash off.
See it there. So alright. So we're gonna put a little piece of garlic and we're gonna put some ginger in there. That's a Ringo style that. So I'm not even gonna. I'm just gonna put it in there. Him say cut it up fine, but
Christmas time, I can't be bothered.
yeah, man. Quick, you can watch. Yeah, I cut it up fine still.
That's cool, man.
You have to have everything.
No, I hear you.
Yeah, smell the flavour already, man.
Yeah, no, the flavour's in there.
Yo,
Same way.
flavour crazy.
Damn, man. It's in there.
Man.
It's in there. A Jamaican ginger that they say is one of the strongest gingers in the world.
Yeah, man, mad move.
Oh, see it changed now.
Yeah,
Change up. Already.
Yeah.
Instant.
If you can smell that, people, this is the, just know. I hope you do know, and I hope you appreciate. This has never been done before. This is a new thing. It's a new recipe, mine. Yeah. Trust me. Remember, I said that our cooking will bring Ringo Vision and Cook and Vibe. This is the first time you see this.
Yeah,
Our
man.
thing's different.
Straight.
You can't find this in a recipe book. It ain't there.
You know that?
Look for it.
Yeah, man.
You won't find it. But the
And even if it did it, may I put something in it to make it not did it.
Thank
Sure.
you. Thank you.
But
So I said straight.
the smell of this. Smell that, man.
Yeah, man, I'm mad move, man.
Yo, that smell like sugar.
Yeah.
Yo.
That kick.
Yo.
It's just
Now
got
that
good
lamb, yeah,
seasoning.
because you know lamb naturally just has its own acquired taste.
I think what's
You know what I
happened.
said?
I think it's. I think the
It's a
meatness and
combine.
everything is taking the sourness out of the sorrel. It doesn't really. It smells like more of a seasoning now. And it's
The
still.
flavour, man.
Yo, mad.
Because the juice, you know lamb.
I'm actually really
Not
looking forward to
naturally
eating
sweat
this.
water.
man.
It's
Yeah.
the water where I come out there. I'm mad.
Oh, yeah,
nice.
Yeah.
What yo, people? Yo, look at that. Look at the soul, man. Look at the colours on there and everything. Amazing, man.
Beautiful.
It smells amazing. A chill bling.
Yeah, man.
Ringo Vision.
Yeah, I'm mad.
Yeah, so the vegetables in there already. So this now we're just gonna put a little piece of salt inside the sweet potato. Do you know what I'm saying? And we've got some butter inside there. I'm just gonna mash this up. Cooking with Bling Ringo Vision there, man. We're just gonna start this and then plate up. And then we're ready. Next time. Why yeah! Why people, man?
Dinner time!
It's a dinner time. Chill, look, we tried to do a different thing this time, as you can see, yeah. It's a fine dining thing. We've got the Sorrel Braised lamb. You've never seen it before, you've never heard of it before. We got-
Ember.
Yo.
It's not 99p, it's 99 pound for so 300 pound for them three. Just for then I'm gonna calculate the asparagus and
You see what I'm saying? Yeah.
hot there.
You gone, man.
Yo, the purple broccoli, we got the little corn there, we got the, yo, everything I've gone. So without no further, you see how that broke? You see that?
Yo.
No toughness.
Sweet potato mash.
Boy, the first time people made a change of sorrel, so maybe gonna know exactly what time is it to you, isn't it?
Wow. Wow.
Wait there.
Wow. It works perfectly. And that's all. Just settles in with it perfectly.
Wow.
Wow.
You don't even know.
And that's not even a joke, but I'm not even this.
Yo.
Not even sponge, no soft stuff.
Like you can taste that. You see that little sourness?
Yeah.
Getting that little sourness.
You see, notice you don't even taste the sorrel.
No.
Try it again.
Blend, it's a blend, it's a blend.
You do. You do. You get a little sourness. When you start getting that little sourness of the sorrel in there.
Asparagus.
It's bad. We say, oh, the asparagus one. Carl. Ringo dealt with that. Yeah, man, riches.
Riches!
That's
Right.
rich.
Riches!
That's rich.
That's rich.
Yeah, man.
So, I think,
Beautiful.
with that being said,
A bit of crunch. A bit of crunch with him, not.
we need the flour.
So,
Might as well, innit? It's on the plate, innit?
I hear that.
It can consume. It can consume.
That's flour. You know what?
The hibiscus itself, yeah, got a bit, that's the bitterness.
Got a little bitterness in it. So,
Hands on.
yeah, that bitterness
sweet potato,
come
man.
from the air, man.
So, There we have it. We done a good thing. It was the right thing to do. It's Christmas, the all of we together. You get me? Season greetings to everybody, man. Thank you so much for the support on this season. You don't know, Ringo, you've been a big part of the season, man.
Cool, man, brother.
It was wicked to link up with you this season.
Mad.
You brought a life to Cook and Vibe that weren't there.
Respect.
Me, I tell her.
Respect.
You know,
Merry
things,
Christmas.
same thing. You brought enough next vibes that Cook and Vibe we didn't have.
Yes.
So,
Man has been boss.
you don't know, this is one team. And I thank you lot. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching me every week. You get me? I am going to have a break for a month. You get me? And then we're going to be, the next season's going to be so crazy.
Yes, people.
Trust me, so.
While in the pan break, just go and roll through the catalogue.
Just so, for the next month, Ringo Vision
Yeah.
and Cooking with Bling.
Yeah.
I can't talk people, I can't talk.
But yeah, again, yo, thank you for watching again. Merry Christmas. I'll see you on Christmas Day. Do you know what I'm saying? Ben, big up yourself, my brother. Ross, come on, bro. Do you know what? So, we're just playing up for the camera, but Ross is, I need you to taste at least a lamb
Of course, come on, man.
camera. Just
I'm
before
just
I
chilling
play
at
up
the
your
back,
food.
you know, it's behind the scenes. I'll take one here.
So I'm going to play up Ross's food afterwards, right?
Made us some nice lunch earlier as well. I'll type Ringo, I'll type Bling. I'm going to be plugging them on my Instagram, so get checking. It's Ross_Dean89. Upcoming Productions Ltd. I'll type Ben on the camera, you know me.
Yes, big up yourself,
Wait,
Ben.
wait.
Yeah, you've been a star today.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Definitely, man. Big up
If you need
yourself.
any work that look how that just fall apart.
Tender.
So I'm going to plate up your food next, Ross, but here's what I want you to do. I just want you to taste that.
I want to say.
Just for the camera, and just
Jeez,
let
saying that.
them know what I want. It's new.
10-10. I
Thank
ain't gonna lie.
he knows the slogans.
No, I ain't gonna lie. That's banging. The flavour in that is unreal.
Crazy.
Yeah,
No,
man.
man. That's
I'm going to let Ross finish the episode because he knows the slogans. I'm going to let him finish. So, Ross.
Wait, Cook and Vibe. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah.
The thing there, yeah. I'll tell everyone in the building.
It's done though.
Shout out my brother Evan.
Big up,
Shout
Ross.
out my brother Bling all day, Ringo, sorry as well.
Come on,
Everyone's in the
brother.
building. We all make mistakes. On the spot, 3-star right now.
Why are
Yeah. Make sure you check out Upcoming Productions YouTube channel.
Why are
See you next year.
Why
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Yeah.
But the big up section, you don't know people. Leave a comment for your chance to get your big up. Why are